images, and when we kiss they're perfectly aligned. I have to speculate that God himself did make us into corresponding shapes like puzzle pieces from clay. True, it may seem like it's strange, but it's thoughts like this that catch my troubled head when you're away, when I am missing you to death. When you're out there on the road for several weeks and shows, and when you scan the radio, I hope this song will guide you home. They will see us waving from sides, great heights. Calm down now, they'll say everything looks perfect from far away. Calm down now, but we'll stay. This all on your machine, but the persistent beating sounded thin upon listening. That, and frankly, will not fly. You will hear the shrillest highs and lowest low when the window's down and this is guiding you. They will see us waving from sides, great heights. Calm down now, they'll say everything looks perfect from far away. Calm down now, we'll say. I'm thinking it's a sign that the freckles in our eyes are mirror images, and when we kiss they're perfectly aligned.